Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a quick cleanup of my house. I'm going to do a power hour. I'm going to set my clock or my timer for 1 hour and we're going to see how much I can get done. It's actually a Sunday and so I don't want to do a deep clean, so I'm going to try to clean up. I'm also going to be using a vacuum that was sent to me by the company PRETTYCARE. So I'm going to try that out with y'all today and to kind of give a little demonstration because I got to get some vacuuming done. So anyways, I'm going to get the clock set and then we're going to see how much we can get picked up.
I don't want to stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low.
Here's a quick overview of the living room. And then right down here, let's see, we'll set up the camera and see what I can get done real quick.
If you wanna go, let's go.
Okay y'all, it seems like I always start in the living room. I start folding the blankets I have. We use blankets all the time. It doesn't matter, excuse me, I can't speak. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. We always seem to have blankets. It's just something about sitting on the couch with a blanket and pillows that's just so cozy. I know I'm not the only one like that, but that's what I'm starting out doing now, is just straightening up all the pillows and the blankets. I really need to vacuum and clean these leather couches again. That's probably something I'll do this coming week. But like I said, this is a power hour, so we're going to try to get as much done in an hour. And I thought I would introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3, except my children are not little bitty. I have an 11-year-old. My daughter is almost 13. She will turn 13 on July the 16th. And then my son, my oldest, just turned 16 on June the 6th. So the 3 of them are a little bit older. Not grown yet, but my children are a little bit older. I am a stay-at-home mom, like I said before. I do YouTube and I help my husband with his business. I do paperwork and things like that for him. And I enjoy making YouTube videos. I make what's for dinner videos every single Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time. And I do like to do cleaning videos. I try to do one at least once a week, but it doesn't always happen. Sometimes it's once every other week or something like that. But I do like making cleaning videos. And I live in Texas, and we live on 35 acres. We have cows, a dog, and yeah, that's just a little bit about me.
And our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember.
And as you can see, I'm using the cordless vacuum that I mentioned earlier in the video. This is made by the company PRETTYCARE, and they sent me this vacuum to try out, and I have tried out a couple different cordless vacuums, and this one is very good for the price range that it's in. Right now they're offering a $20 off coupon, which I will have linked down in the description box below. So if you're interested in an inexpensive cordless vacuum, this is a good one. It works good. I do like having cordless vacuums. They come in handy. I do have a rainbow vacuum that if I'm doing a really good deep clean, I pull that out because it has the best suction power of any vacuum I've ever had. But for a cordless vacuum, I love having those. They come in handy when you just want to grab and vacuum. I would say the battery life on this one is probably, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, and I use it on high. So if you use it on the lower setting, it would probably last longer.
You sing.
And I just wanted to let y'all know that I would never come on here and promote a product that I did not like. I have had plenty of things offered to me and sent to me that I did not like, and I will not advertise for them if I don't like the product. So I do like this product, and like I said, for the price range, I think it's very good. And they're offering a coupon right now. So just wanted to let y'all know that I would never promote something that I did not think was good. And the only complaint that I would say, or the only con I would say, is, and I'll let you hear in just a second, is there is a squeaking when you're going over. So anyways, I don't know if you could hear that on that little clip there, but it only seems to do it on the bare floor. It just does a little squeaking, which, who knows, maybe I could put a little oil on there and it wouldn't do it, or I don't know. But it doesn't affect the performance. That was really the only, I guess, con that I would say, is just that it makes a squeaking noise when you go over a bare floor.
Never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows.
And here I am cleaning up this counter. This counter is like my catch-all. Everything piles up there. Even when I was cleaning from the living room, I was carrying stuff and laying it there. It just always seems to be that way, is just piles up.
Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Normally when I do a power hour, I will make a list of things I want to accomplish during that hour. But this time I didn't do it. I kind of knew in my head what I wanted to do. But if you want to do a power hour, what I would recommend doing is just getting a list, writing down what you think you can accomplish during that hour. And as you go along, just check it off. To me, that just makes you feel like you're accomplishing more, and it helps you to stay on task. And it is amazing how much you can get done in an hour, or even if you only have 30 minutes, just dedicate that 30 minutes just to getting what was on that list done. And as you could see just a minute ago, there was Adrian eating a donut for y'all. He's just too cute. He was showing out for the camera.
Rumors, we were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
And y'all, I don't know what I would do without my dishwasher. I love my dishwasher. I don't like doing dishes. Sometimes I let them pile up. Usually it's only on the weekends. During the week, I try to keep those dishes done every night after supper. But I really love having a dishwasher. If I had to do them all by hand, whew, that would be a mess.
Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old.
I try my best to keep this little area picked up, but I'm always washing dishes, so there's always some over here that need to be put away. I'm almost to the point where I'm just used to it. I just gave up and said, you know what? There's always going to be dishes drying over here, and that's okay. It's all right, y'all.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
And y'all, I am loving my new stove. I've been keeping it cleaned every time I use it, so all I'm doing now is just kind of wiping it off with a paper towel. And but yeah, I'm loving it. I made cookies last week in it and used the convection part of it, and the cookies turned out so good. And in case y'all haven't seen that video, last week's What's for Dinner, I shared a chocolate chip cookie recipe from the Magnolia Table Cookbook by Joanna Gaines, and those chocolate chip cookies were the bomb. They were so good. Y'all, as I'm over here editing and doing these voiceovers, I'm cracking up at myself. It's funny to watch myself clean and to see these faces. I look so serious. Now, y'all, this plant right here is Buddy. This is my little succulent plant that I've had for over a year, and I've actually kept it alive. Which brings me to the next thing I'm going to show you. I was sent a succulent box by a company that does a monthly succulent subscription plan, and they sent me their 4 most popular succulents. I have them here in my windowsill, and I'm about to water them, but I'm going to insert some footage of the succulent box. They come wrapped very nicely in bubble wrap. Each of the plants come with a little card that tells what they are, and it tells how often they need to be watered and how much sunlight they need. They're very, very helpful, and I really love succulents because they're easier to me to take care of than a regular plant. But anyways, I wanted to share that with y'all. I will have them linked down in the description box below, but these are beautiful. I just love them, and they're so cute and tiny. But yeah, so if y'all are interested in succulents, check out the link in the description box below.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self.
And our hour is almost up. I'm finishing up in here, vacuuming in the kitchen. I'm not going to be able to mop or anything, but for a power hour, that's pretty normal unless you just don't have a lot to do. But I had quite a bit that needed to get done, especially because I had dishes and stuff, which takes some time. But yeah, so I'm just going to finish this up. We're almost done.
Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against.
Okay, y'all, the time is just about up. It had 50 something seconds and counting, so I decided to go ahead and stop it right here. And I'm going to show y'all how to empty out this vacuum. It's very easy to do. You just kind of twist it. You'll see a lock and an unlock. Twist that open. You'll take the filter out, and you just shake that out into your trash can. And you can also wash this and let it dry overnight. And then the next little part here, you can see where the hair and stuff that's stuck on it. I just use my finger and it comes off real easy. And then I also shake that out into the trash can also, just to get everything out. And then you have the little canister there, and just dump it out, put it back together. Very easy to do.
Let me escape from my.
And another feature with this vacuum that I haven't seen on some of the others is you can adjust the length of the pole. So you could adjust this for your kids to vacuum, or if you're a little bit shorter, you can adjust it down for your height. Very easy to do. So I thought I would point that out to you. And then you can take the battery off and charge it, or I like to just leave it on there because when you plug it in, it will start blinking with a blue light to let you know that it's charging, and when it's done, it will stop. When the battery is off and charging, I don't believe there is any kind of indicator, so you just have to kind of guess, I believe. And here are some of the attachments it comes with. And so y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to check out the links below for the Succulent Box and the PRETTYCARE vacuum. And I hope to see y'all back here again. Thank y'all for watching.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.